Imagine building a multi-million-dollar business from your couch, your favorite coffee shop, or a beach halfway across the world. No office, no boss, just you, your laptop, and a blueprint that's already transforming lives. Welcome to Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0, the ultimate guide that's helping thousands of people, just like you, create thriving online empires from the comfort of their homes. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you how this ebook is your key to financial freedom and a life of limitless possibilities. Ready to join the revolution? Let's dive in. The world of wealth has shifted. Forget the 9-to-5 slog or climbing a corporate ladder that leads nowhere. Right now, regular people, moms, students, retirees are building million-dollar businesses online, working remotely, and living life on their terms. How? They're following Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0, a step-by-step guide packed with proven strategies to turn your ideas into a digital goldmine. This isn't hype. It's a roadmap that's already changing lives, and it's ready to change yours. Don't wait to escape the grind. Grab Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 now and start building your million-dollar empire from home. Click the link in the description to get your copy today. What's inside this game changer? This 200-page ebook, crafted by top online entrepreneurs, breaks down everything you need to succeed. You'll learn how to spot high-profit niches that thrive in today's digital economy. You'll discover how to build e-commerce stores, affiliate marketing systems, and digital products that generate cash 24/7. Want to know the secret to scaling without burning out? The blueprint shows you how to automate and outsource like a pro. From leveraging TikTok trends to mastering email funnels, it's all here, designed for beginners and hustlers alike, so you can work from anywhere, your kitchen, a co-working space, or a tropical island. Your dream life is just a click away. Get Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 now. Click the link in the description and start your journey to millions today. The proof is in the stories. Meet Tara, a stay-at-home mum who used this blueprint to launch a dropshipping business, now pulling in $3 million a year from her living room. Or Alex, a former warehouse worker who followed the ebook's social media strategies to build a $1.8 million affiliate empire while traveling the world. These aren't outliers. They're part of a growing wave of people using Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 to create wealth remotely. The ebook strips away the guesswork, giving you clear, actionable steps to avoid costly mistakes and fast-track your success, all from the comfort of wherever you call home. Why wait to join them? Click the link in the description to get Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 and start building your empire from anywhere. Here's the truth. The digital economy is booming, but it's moving fast. AI, social media algorithms, and new platforms like Web3 are creating opportunities that can make you millions, if you act now. Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 is your edge, updated for 2025 with the latest tools and trends, from AI ads to viral content strategies. This isn't just about money, it's about freedom to work when and where you want, to spend more time with family, to live life without limits. Thousands are already doing it, building empires from their laptops. And you can too. Don't let this moment slip away. Click the link in the description to grab Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 and start your remote wealth journey now. This is your shot. Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 is more than an ebook. It's the tool thousands are using to build multi-million-dollar businesses from home, on their terms. For less than a pizza, you get the secrets of digital millionaires, laid out in clear, doable steps. From your bedroom to a beachfront villa, this blueprint works anywhere. The link is in the description. Click it now to get your copy and join the thousands creating wealth remotely. Your multi-million-dollar empire starts today. Are you ready to make it happen?